Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsonoff, Certified Master Tech out of Reading, PA. Today I'm going to try and answer the question of how to find a car in a junkyard. This particular vehicle here that I'm leaning on is a 95 Pontiac Grand Prix. Now I got this one out of a junkyard, salvaged it before it ended up getting dismantled. This particular vehicle had blown head gaskets, bad intake gasket, and it probably would have cost the owner about $1,500 to fix it, so he figured he'd just send it to the scrapyard. Now, fortunately for me, it was easy enough for me to fix it. It cost me about $150, and I've got myself a decent car to beat around with. But the easiest way I can tell you to find a vehicle in a junkyard, some of the things you might want and actually physically talk to them. They're more willing to talk to you on that level. But some of the things you want to look for if you're looking for parts on a vehicle, a lot of times you'll see in a junkyard there'll be notes written on the windshield, good motor, bad trans, bad motor, bad trans, or bad motor and bad trans. But if you're looking for an alternator, radiator, whatever you're looking for out there, check out the notes they got written on the vehicle. You want to look for a vehicle that obviously hasn't been in an accident, the extent of the damage that's been done to the body if you're going to restore it, general parts on a vehicle. Sometimes you can actually just look at the overall shape of it when you pop the hood in the yard. But the easiest way I could say in finding a vehicle in a junkyard, just get out there, walk around, look, talk to the people that own the yards and operate the yards, and they can usually tell you where the decent vehicles are to purchase, restore, or take parts off of.